Well, hello, YouTube and friends. This is day 3 of Missouri deer hunting. Sitting here waiting. It's 3:54 p.m. Haven't seen nothing. Just sitting here. Well, I seen a red-headed woodpecker a little bit ago. And heard some squirrels scattering around. But anyway, I'm just sitting here taking her in. But anyway, just a short video. I hope everybody's doing good. There's been some nice ones taken. I heard there was a 39-point buck taken over in St. Louis or St. Clair County of Missouri. So, and there's been bucks taken. So it's only the 3rd day. So hopefully, anyway, hope to get one this year. Talk to you later. Take care. Till the next one. Adios.